About this item: CVT speeds and strong airflow, the stepless speeds knob to a variety of speeds options. You can adjust the wind speeds from 0 to 4200 RPM. Enjoy the passion of acceleration like your car. The small but powerful fan that you can feel strong breeze from 8 feet away. Compact design and portable fan. 5.8 4.2 1.8 inch mini fan, only 5.6 ounces. Lightweight and handy for maximum convenience. It fits into any rooms and easy to carry, a welcome small fan to your desktop, office, bedroom, personal cooling, etc. Note: open the support feet for better balance when in use. Ultra quiet fan, quiet operation is our priority. The silent blade design is engineered to be 25% quieter, the lowest speeds is just 25 dB. Better partner accompany your work or sleep without disturbing you. Multiple USB cord powered compatibility, with 3.9 feet USB cable. This USB fan can be powered by PC/laptop, power bank, AC adapter, car charger, and other USB-enabled power supply. Plug and play. You can stay cool all day long. Note: this fan does not carry a battery, easy to clean, designed with removable front cover. Just rotate the fan's front cover to take off it. You can wash the front cover or use a cloth to clean the interior blades without spending